Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Grace. In case you're new here, karibu sana. We're happy to have you. On today's episode, I'm sharing with you a very nice, easy and quick recipe how to make pasta at the comfort of your home. Now guys, before we go any further, kindly consider subscribing and also press that notification bell so that you're notified every time we post a new video. So first things first, we need to chop up our ingredients. So guys, once the water is boiled, just go ahead and add your pasta. You want to do it on time so that by the time you're done preparing the sauce, the pasta is also ready. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for always coming back. Please remember to like the video, comment down below, let me know what you think, and also if you have not subscribed, subscribe, share with a friend, tell them to subscribe as well. Until the next time, see you and God bless.